we'll guide you through how to download Google Docs as a PDF. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Google Docs website. Once you're logged in, locate the document you want to download and click to open it. With your document open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the File menu option. Click on File to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, hover over Download to reveal more options. You need to click on PDF Document, which will be listed as PDF next to it. Once you click that, your browser should automatically start downloading the file as a PDF, or it may prompt you to choose a location to save the file, depending on your browser settings. If prompted, select the location on your computer where you want to save your PDF file, and confirm the download. This method is super straightforward and allows you to share your documents in a universally accessible format. Remember, PDFs maintain the formatting of your document, making them ideal for sharing with others who may not have access to Google Docs. And that's it. You now have your Google Docs document saved as a PDF on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.